guys, this is a video on Windows software. This time I'm talking about remotely accessing your computer from the internet or a network. So basically, if you're trying to access your computer from work or school or college or whatever, you can do it through remote access. This can be another way to go on games or something while you're at college or school or whatever, or access MSN Messenger or anything. All you need to do is connect to your home computer, leave your computer on at home, and then you can control your computer from college, school, work, as if you are sitting in front of it using the keyboard and mouse. So there's various ways you can do this. NetMeeting is included with Windows XP and below. I think it's been superseded in Windows Vista by meeting space or something like that. But for anyone who uses XP and below, all you have to do is go start, run, type in conf, and you can load up NetMeeting, and then you type the address you want to call, but then the other person actually has to answer this call. Once it's done, you can share webcam and sound, and then share things like your desktop here. It's a desktop share, and then people can control it. Only does one person, so you can find something directly. This is very old. This has been used since like Windows 95 or something like that, but it's reliable all the same. So you can do this over a network, and I think you can go over the internet. You just need the other person to type in their IP address. Also, if you have things like MSN Messenger like this, you can get it also has this functionality to be able to use it with Windows XP users. You just go into the menu and say something like actions, and then you see request remote assistance. You can send them a remote assistance request, and then again it will show up on their screen or your screen with their ones. Basically showing the desktop so you can see what they're doing, and then you can control it. So that's one. Remote desktop connection, I think you have to type MSTSC into the run box and come up with a remote desktop connection. This is usually used for people to access computers on a network, so like a work network or something. You just type in the name of the computer or the server or whatever, and then press connect, and then it will ask you to log in with your details on that computer, and then you can log in as if you logged in on your own computer, and then it will show you the desktop and all that. So that is remote desktop connection. Type VNC is something that you can have running, have the server running in your taskbar. I'm not going to drag my mouse over the little V because it will show my IP address, which I really don't want to disclose. So what you can have it do is have it run itself. So every time you connect to it, it will ask for a password, and then it will view your whole desktop, and then you can control the keyboard and the mouse. Or you can have it running as a web server sort of thing. So you can connect to it over the internet again. So I've tried to connect to my own PC. I had to take the IP address. You have to type the IP address of your computer in, and then a port number. If I can drag over this quickly, there you go. Say properties. I've got it to find that port 13800 HTTP, and I've done a password here. So you type IP address and then put a colon. So say 12.34.56.78, and then a colon, and then 13800, and then I'll connect. But as you can see, it won't allow me to connect to myself, so error loopback connections are disabled. So this is what type VNC looks like when it's connected to the server, and the port there, and it says disconnect option clipboard, then type loop refresh, and this is what it looks like just inside Internet Explorer. I'm afraid I can't show you most of these actually working because I don't have a computer to connect to. I've just got my own desktop, so just showing you pictures really of what you can do with each one. Next one is Log Me In. I highly recommend this. I use it to connect to my computer from college. Log Me In enables online, so all you do is go to the logmein.com website, and then you sign up to their website and choose Log Me In free, and you'll notice that you have this page here where it has your account. It shows you your computers. I've got two connectors. That one I'm not going to connect to because that's a mate of mine, so this is mine. All you do is do add computer in the box, and then just say Log Me In free. I think Log Me In Pro and Reach and all those can actually like analyse things like your system task manager, and access files on your computer and things like that. So on a computer you want to control, you just say download it, and I'll still bring that now because it then starts to download if I went through that. And it looks like this. So this is what it looks like. It will do a load of icons when you go to log in from the server. When you see my list of computers, this is what happens when you click it and you say remote control. It will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stay connected, and then you'll see your desktop. And it also leaves the box on the user's desktop, the actual person you're controlling, saying it's being controlled by, and then it says who you are. So that's one useful thing. And GoToMeeting is one where if you'd like to see, you can download this. I think you install it. I'm not sure if it should have a thing down here again for the in the status bar saying it will view your desktop. Basically, GoToMeeting is ideal for people who want to view multiple people's desktops, if you understand what I mean. Sort of, if you have a conference and you need to see multiple users' desktops, this is what you will require. And then you can switch easily between each person's desktop, have a list and you can scroll through. So you see where it says in small writing there, now viewing something John, this is the screen, controlled by, so you can control it. Some people can control other people's desktops. Easy to scroll through them. So these are various ways you can connect through remote access to your computer via the internet or over a network. So thanks for watching my video. If I've missed anything else, something important, then please leave a comment. These are the ways I know of doing it. If there's another way you can access your computer over the internet using your keyboard and mouse, and their keyboard and mouse, then please let me know. Leave a comment, and please rate and subscribe. Thanks for watching.